How to check storage in Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So there are basically two ways to check the storage on Android. The first method is to go to the settings of your device. So just go to the settings, and as you tap on settings, you can directly go to about phone option over here. And after tapping on about phone, here you can see the option of storage. So tap on storage and it will show you the storage amount or the data in Android and what has covered up the storage in your Android. So right now you can see there's 63.5 GB of 128 GB has been occupied. So the next step is you can just go to the home screen and app list and then go to the file manager and then tap on the folder icon over here. And as you tap on the folder icon, here you can see that 49.97 GB of 114 GB has been covered up. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.